banned from the Nike factory store. I'm like, I got banned from Nike factory store? What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And first up, we got the React Vision 84 and we got some Element for $89.99. Nice colorway on those Elements React. And we got Joyride Dual Run $59.97 with the 30. This React Planet 49 with the 30, $69.97 with the 30 on the Boomero 14. And how about this one? Also sitting here. So how about the Nike Quest 2 $44.97 with the 30% off? So $49.97 on the 30 also. And this Metcon. Ooh. How about the $39.97 on this Air Max? Ooh, $44.97 as well. And this brownish colorway. The red colorway is more expensive, $79, and the white black is $59.97 and 30% as well. 54 on the black and gray and white. So the Jordan 1 React $74.97 with the 30% off. So what do you think on those? Jordan $69.99. How about the Arrow with different colorway? So $129.99. How about the Protro? And then Mamba $74.99. $59.97 with 30. Zoom Freak $69.99 with white and gray-ish. Same price, $79.99 and the Kyrie as well, $99.97. And this, well, I'm gonna take one of this, the bigger size. Probably I could make more money on the bigger size, not the smaller size. So I'm gonna take one. All right, in women's section. So hopefully we could find something here in this women's section. The Pegasus $49.97 with 30. Another one $34.97. Air Max 2 $59.97. Air Max 1 $90. $84.99. I like the color on those Volt colorway. It's kind of attract me or something, but $84.99 still high. But this one is women's size, but they don't have a bigger size, so that's a $7.99. And the Air Max 270 React $89.99 on this one with the 30. Nice color though. How about the Vapor Max 360? $119 with additional 20 is not bad for those. So probably came down to somewhere 80 or 90 something. Good one. Alright, how about Win Kids? $49.97 with the 30. And this Jordan 312. That's all the size they have. And how about this really cute $34.99? And this shoes, it is cute. There we go. And more here. Not too much a sneaker, but a lot of clothing. We still got lucky. So we got this on the different store, which is the Nike outlet store on my area. So I have two stores, which is the Nike factory store and Nike outlet store. So today that I got lucky enough to got me a lot of very cheap hoodies because it is a good weather. It is a good one for this incoming weather. Let's start with this one. Okay, so we got one pair of these particular shoes. I mean shoes. It's short and it's not my size. It is my size. This is my size. See? 3XL. That's my size. Okay. Nah, this is not my size. Okay, let's talk about this one. And we bought this one for $9.97 with the additional 30% and then additional 20%. Now, we got lucky that this store allowed us to use the 20% off discount on top of the discount they're having. So final price is $5.59. Another one that we got here, this is the last one they have, the arrow layer and the retail on this one is 100 and we got them for $29.97, and then on top of it additional 30%, additional 20%, so it came down to final price $16.78. It's a good thing we got this one, and it's a good time for the weather. And how much with this? We got this one. We got this for $14.99. So final price is $8.39. So we have here another hoodie with that swoosh. That's the only one they have in here. Is it is a thermal fleece, and we got retail is $55 and we got them for $9.99. Final price is $5.59. So that's a no-brainer. Hoodie for $55 retail and we got them for $5. So it pays off to go to the other store. Still a good one of those. And we're lucky also we got the last pair of this Air Jordan Legacy 312. Final value is $27.98. They're selling for $99.97 and then additional 30% on top of it, and then additional 20. So my final value is $55.98 on this one. So now let's look back what happens with this coupon. And so that's what I've been telling you, that some stores have varies. How do they understand the policy and the coupon policy? Differs from different person, different manager, different supervisor, different worker. So it's not bad to ask them what was the policy, how do they interpret the policy. And this outlet, they did not do different some type of restriction, because the policy is just the same as the regular policy of a regular bulk buyer. You can buy things 5 pair, that's it, and then you can use your 20%, and you could, and that policy is just the same as the regular days. They didn't do anything else, just do the policy 5 pair, that's it. You can use the 20% off, unlike the other store that they banned me or banned me or something. They don't want me to use the 20% off. Alright, that's okay. I was said, I'm not gonna buy that a lot anyway. I just wanted to buy these the Jordan ones, trash Jordan one. Sometimes you don't have to argue with the one who works there. It's just how do they interpret the policy. Just move on, go to the next store. Okay, and that's it for me today, and I hope you like this video. And if you really like it, can you please leave a thumbs up down below? I would love to hear that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And with that said, thank you again for watching. Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Adios. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.